What I would tell people that wanted to learn more about the apprenticeship, whether it be high school students or parents, is it's a career builder.
My friends are kind of jealous. They're all going to school looking for jobs still, and just straight out of high school, I've got a job and my school paid for and everything.
I feel really nice knowing I won't have any debt, and it's great that I'll be able to have a full education through the ICATT Apprenticeship.
This is something that's practical. It's going to be a field that's in high demand.
It's kind of changed my life.
After I complete the apprenticeship program, I plan on sticking with Krones for the rest of my career and trying to become a level 4 labeling technician.
10 years from now, I hope to see myself either as an instructor here at Krones, teaching other service techs, training more people, or still out in the field, still working on machines, making things run.